Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow, so relax and enjoy listening. It started as a normal Saturday. Sarah got coffee. She bought a new book. She did a little shopping. Everything was going well. She was ready to go home. Then she noticed something. Something important was missing. And suddenly, her relaxing day became much more stressful. Before the day's over, Sarah will have to make an important phone call. But first, she needs to figure out what happened. Here is your listening question. Where is Sarah's wallet? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And if you know the answer at the end, share it in the comments. Now let's begin.
Hey Jake, how's your day going?
Pretty good. How about you?
I had a great day.
Nice. What did you do?
I went to a coffee shop this morning.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yeah, the weather was great too.
That's always a bonus.
Then I walked around downtown for a while.
Did you buy anything?
Actually, yes.
What did you get?
I bought a new book,
Really? What kind of book?
a mystery novel.
You always like mystery books.
I do, they're fun to read.
Are you going to start it tonight?
That's the plan.
Sounds like a relaxing evening.
I hope so.
Did you do anything after the bookstore?
Yes, I stopped at a small store.
Looking for anything special?
Not really, I was just browsing.
That's how people end up buying things.
You're right.
So did you buy something there too?
Just a few small things, nothing exciting.
Sometimes that's the best kind of shopping.
True.
Are you home now?
Not yet. I just got back to my car.
Oh, you're still out.
Yeah, I'm putting my things in the trunk.
Busy day.
It was a good day.
Glad to hear it.
Wait a second.
What's wrong?
That's strange.
What is it?
Hold on, let me check something.
Sure.
That's odd.
Sarah,
Wait a second.
did you lose something?
I'm not sure yet.
What are you looking for?
Give me a moment.
Okay, take your time. Sarah,
I think something might be missing.
What do you think is missing?
I can't find my wallet.
Your wallet?
Yeah, I usually keep it in my bag.
Are you sure it's not there?
Let me check again.
Okay.
No, it's not here.
Check every pocket.
I'm checking now.
What about the side pocket?
Nothing.
The front pocket?
Nothing there either. This is not good.
Stay calm. We can figure it out.
I hope so.
Did you leave it in the car?
Let me check.
Take a look under the seat, too.
Okay.
Anything?
No, I don't see it.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's not here.
When did you last use it?
I'm trying to remember.
Let's think about your day.
Okay.
You went to the coffee shop first, right?
Yes.
Did you pay with your wallet there?
Yes, I did.
Then what happened?
After that, I went downtown.
And then the bookstore?
Right.
Did you buy the book with your card?
Yes.
So you had your wallet at the bookstore.
Yes, I definitely had it then.
That's good information.
I guess so.
What happened after the bookstore?
I went to that small store.
Did you use your wallet there?
I think I did.
You think?
I'm not completely sure.
Try to remember.
I'm trying.
Maybe that's the last place you had it.
Maybe.
We need to retrace your steps.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay, let's think carefully.
I'm trying.
Start from the beginning.
Okay.
You went to the coffee shop first.
Right.
Do you remember paying?
Yes, I paid with my card.
Did you put the wallet back in your bag?
I think so.
You think so?
Well, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, what happened next?
After that, I walked around downtown.
Did you buy anything?
No, I was just walking.
Then you went to the bookstore.
Yes. Tell me about that. I picked up a mystery novel.
The one you told me about?
Exactly.
And you paid for it?
Yes.
With your card?
Yes.
So you remember using your wallet there.
Definitely.
That's good.
Wait, I remember something else.
What is it?
The cashier asked if I wanted a receipt.
And?
I put the receipt inside my wallet.
That's helpful.
Why?
Because it means you opened your wallet and put it away afterward.
Oh, that's true.
So you probably left the bookstore with it.
That makes sense.
Then came the small store.
Right.
What did you buy there?
Just some snacks and a bottle of water.
Do you remember paying?
That's the strange part.
What do you mean?
I remember carrying the shopping bag.
Okay.
I remember walking out.
Okay.
But I don't remember putting my wallet away. That's the last thing I can't remember.
Then the small store may be the key.
I think you're right.
We may have found the missing piece.
I hope so. Jake, I just thought of something.
What is it?
My credit card is in that wallet.
Oh, that's important.
Yeah, very important.
How many cards are in there?
Just one credit card and one debit card.
Okay,
I was so focused on finding the wallet.
that's understandable.
I didn't even think about the cards.
Have you checked your banking app?
Not yet.
Take a look.
Hold on.
Sure.
Okay, I'm opening it now.
Do you see any recent charges?
Let me check.
Anything unusual?
No, everything looks normal.
That's good news.
At least for now.
Right.
But what if someone finds the wallet later?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Maybe I should keep searching first.
I wouldn't wait.
You wouldn't?
No, protect the card first.
Even if I might find the wallet soon?
Yes, you can always unlock the card later.
That's true.
It's better to be safe.
Good point.
Do you have the bank's number?
I think it's in the app.
Great.
Let me look.
Take your time.
Okay, I found it.
Perfect.
Should I call right now?
Absolutely.
I guess that's the smartest thing to do.
I agree.
Okay,
You'll feel better once the card is locked.
you're probably right.
Call the bank first.
Call the bank first.
Then keep looking for the wallet.
That sounds like a plan.
Let me know what they say.
I will. I'm calling now.
Thank you for calling Citibank. This is Lisa. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need some help.
Of course. What can I do for you?
I lost my wallet.
I'm sorry to hear that.
My credit card was inside it.
I understand.
I'd like to lock my card.
I can help with that.
Thank you.
Before we continue, I need to verify your identity.
Okay,
May I have your full name, please?
Sarah Thompson.
Thank you, Miss Thompson.
You're welcome.
Can you confirm your date of birth?
Yes, it's June 12th, 1992.
Thank you.
No problem.
And what is the phone number on your account?
It's 555-7284.
Thank you. One moment while I check your account.
Sure, thank you for waiting. Of course.
I have your account information here.
Great.
Can you tell me when you noticed the wallet was missing?
About 20 minutes ago.
Have you seen any suspicious charges on your account?
No, everything looks normal.
That's good to hear.
Yes, I checked the app before calling.
Excellent.
I wanted to be careful.
That's the right thing to do.
Thanks.
Would you like a temporary lock or a permanent block?
A temporary lock, please.
Certainly.
If I find the wallet, can I use the card again?
Yes, you can unlock it through the app or by calling us.
That's good.
I'm processing the request now.
Okay, please give me a moment.
Sure. Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
Your card is now locked.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's a relief.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything.
I hope you find your wallet soon.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Hey, Sarah, how did the call go?
It went well.
That's good.
The bank locked my card.
Perfect. One less thing to worry about.
Exactly.
Do you feel a little better now?
Much better, actually.
Good.
I'm still annoyed about the wallet, though.
Understandable.
I really thought I was careful today.
Sometimes these things happen.
Yeah, I guess so.
What's your plan now?
I was thinking about driving back to the stores.
That makes sense.
But before I leave, I want to check the car one more time.
That's a good idea.
I've already looked twice.
Check anyway.
You really think it's worth it?
Definitely.
Okay.
Look under the seats again.
I'm checking now.
Anything?
No.
What about between the seats?
Hold on.
Take your time.
Wait a second.
What?
I see something.
Really?
There's a narrow gap next to the driver's seat.
Okay.
I can't see clearly.
Can you reach it?
Maybe. Hold on.
I'm waiting.
Oh my gosh.
What happened?
I found it.
You found your wallet?
Yes.
No way.
It slipped down beside the seat.
I knew it was worth checking again.
I can't believe it.
Is everything inside?
Let me see.
Fingers crossed.
Yes. Everything is here.
That's amazing.
My cards, my ID, everything.
What a relief.
Seriously.
You must feel great right now.
I really do.
Well, that was quite a day.
It really was.
How are you feeling now?
Much better.
That's good to hear.
I was pretty stressed earlier.
I could tell.
Everything happened so fast.
Let's look back for a second.
Sure.
First, you called me after shopping.
Right. I thought it was a normal day.
Then you noticed something was missing.
My wallet.
Exactly.
I checked my bag, my pockets, and the car.
But you couldn't find it.
Not at first.
Then we started thinking about your day.
We went through every stop.
The coffee shop
The bookstore.
and the small store.
Right.
After that, you remembered something important.
My credit card was in the wallet.
Exactly.
That's when I got really concerned.
So what did you do next?
I called the bank.
Good decision.
I told them I lost my wallet.
And then?
I said I'd like to lock my card.
Perfect.
The agent helped me right away.
Then the card was locked.
Yes.
After that, you searched the car again.
One last time,
And finally,
I found the wallet beside the driver's seat.
there it is, the happy ending.
Definitely a happy ending.
What's the lesson from today?
Check the car carefully before you panic.
That's a good one.
And if a card is missing, call the bank right away.
Absolutely.
I'm glad I did that.
Me too.
Thanks for helping me think through everything.
Anytime. That's what friends are for.
I appreciate it.
Now go home and enjoy your evening.
I will.
And maybe start that new book.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Sounds perfect.
Thanks again, Jake. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. Drive safe.
Will do. Bye.
And that's the end of today's story. Sarah had a stressful moment, but she stayed calm and solved the problem step by step. She protected her credit card, kept looking, and finally found her wallet. Great job listening all the way to the end. Now let's go back to our listening question. Where does Sarah finally find her wallet? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Writing a short answer is a great way to practice English and remember the story longer. Every time you listen, think, and write, you are building your English skills little by little. If you enjoyed the story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more relaxing and beginner-friendly English practice. And if you would like to support the channel and help us create more stories like this, you can also become a channel member. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Keep listening, keep learning, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next English Listening Story.